Hi kids, I'm Nobel today. I've gotta refill my race car. Race car is a Batman and the Jeep. So let's see who is gonna win it. Yeah! So now let's see who's gonna win it. 1, 2, 3, wow! Who is it? I'm not seeing it, but let's try again. 1, 2, 3! Whee! Oh, smash on the camera. Boom. You see that? And how he calmed us. So maybe just one because I have black. Yeah. A black. 1, 2, 3. Go. Each other wins. Yeah. So now we do this. So now I got boom. Get the boom. And then boom. The Anna wins because this car go like this. Go it forward for mommy. And then mommy come back. Yeah. You see that? They'll come back. And then spinning. Spinning. Wow! These are like spinners. Now we're gonna start it. So now we're gonna shoot the camera. Ah! 1, 2, 3, shoot camera. Boom! What? Mommy wins again? Okay, guys. So now see again. No. Now it wins. Mommy get 2 points and then I get 2 points. Yay! Now we're gonna start. Okay, guys. And this car is a Hot Wheels. But this is not Hot Wheels, so it's slow. So I think I don't know how to do that. And they're just pretty hard. And you know this one. So we're gonna smash camera, boom! So we're gonna smash like this. We're gonna smash like this. Whee! Whee! You see that? Wah! Let's go double. Yeah. Yeah. Shoot the camera again. And maybe this one you can do like this. So I'm gonna try and then I'm gonna do like this. I think I want the blue. So I gotta pick one blue. So I need to close eyes so it's not easy. What? I got blue. Yeah. Go guys, boom. Go guys, boom. Let's go into medium size. Wow! We'll just smash on it. Wow! Ooh. A little bit, but let's look at this. Whoa! So do wow. Whee! Look at this Jeep and the Batman's inside. Silly? Yeah. So let's see this. Whoa! Shoot it. Boom. Let's shoot it again. Whoa! Boom. Oh. Now let's smash on camera like this. Wow! I see this. I'm gonna do something. Close your eyes. And watch, where is another car? You see? Where's another car? Close. Now they have Dortmund hack in the car. And close your eyes. Here. You know how I do that? I just do like this. When this, I just put it back. And then, so you cannot see it. You see this? And you see this? When this color is like woo. That's a little bit cool, this one. So, this one is bandmates. I like it. Wow. And today I gotta say bye. See you next video. And the next time, with these cars, with race car part 2. Whee! Bye. Bye.